Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2008 MINI Clubman. So from any screen, if I click on the home there, and then we knock the joystick up to navigation, click on navigation, you've got here navigation, new destination. Again, it's not highlighted. So we'd knock the joystick back onto new destination, and you'll see you've got home address or new destination. We want new destination. So I'm selecting that, address input. Click again, that's got city. Does it give me a postcode? No, so we'll go back up to United Kingdom, city. We'll click on city. City and postcode. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Howalton, Preston. P R. We now need numbers. So at the top, just move the joystick, turn it, the rotary control to, and we're 5, turn it back to 4. It's only allowing me to put PR54 in, but here we go, Higher Walton. So now I go to Higher Walton, PR54, click on Higher Walton, and now I need to put the street in, so it's Blackburn Road. Click on street with Blackburn Road. Blackburn Road's come up automatically. It's as you put more letters in, it narrows everything down, and then building number. But I don't want to build a number, so I just need to start guidance. Highlight start guidance. Click. It's calculating the fastest route. That's it. Before we set off, I'll just show you how to use the Bluetooth telephone system. It's on radio at the moment, so if I click this rotary control here, it's not only is it rotary control, but it's a joystick. But if I just click that, you can change the radio station look. If I click on the home here, you've got entertainment system. If I knock it down, you're then on setup. So we'll go to setup, click on setup, and then knock it down again and start turning. Once we've gone onto the highlighted bit, we'll get to Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. Bluetooth devices, you've got their settings, Bluetooth communication. So I'm going to knock it down, we're onto settings. Then, look, I can go to phone, settings, help. So we'll try phone first, so click on phone. Pair new telephone, telephone's paired already. They're not highlighted, so we have to knock this back. And here we go, we've got iPhone and Galaxy S. So if I click on iPhone now, it gives me the message, it gives me a new menu, and I can remove the device. So that's it. I'll just do this one as well. So remove device on there as well. You just highlight it and then click on it, and those are the telephones gone. So that's it. Okay, so I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mini. If we go to settings and then Bluetooth, I'm watching out at the bottom here, but over here again, if I click the home button, then I knock this kind of joystick back to setup, click on setup. It's on info sources at the moment. Settings, we need that to be highlighted. So settings, it goes in white, select that. The menu below goes to purple, and then I just turn it down till we get to Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth, and we've got Bluetooth devices, and knock it, but you see there, that's not highlighted. You've got phone, pair new devices. So if I knock it back there to pair new device, click on that, continue pairing. It's already showing up Mini here, but I'm going to click continue pairing and start pairing on your Bluetooth phone. When prompted, please enter a passkey pin of your choice for additional information. So I'll click on Mini. It's thinking about it here. Now I have to put a passkey in. So I'm just going to put 0, 0, 0, 0 in, and then knock it down to confirm passkey. So you just pull the joystick back, verifying passkey and pin, 0, 0, 0, 0, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow all thinking about it at the moment. Just there you go. That's a good sign. Once that comes up, that's pretty much telling you that it's paired, and that's it. It's now paired. We'll see if we can find MINI. I'll just go to the top, but it all doesn't always appear at the top. MINI connected. That's it. It's all done.